Section 11. Organization of a PCG Auxiliary (PCGA). The PCG shall continue to maintain, supervise, develop, and train the PCGA as a civilian volunteer organization under the direct control and supervision of the PCG Commandant. The PCG shall assist the PCG. The PCGA shall assist the PCG in the promotion of safety of life and property of sea, the preservation of the marine environment and its resources, the conduct of maritime search and rescue, the maintenance of aids to navigation, and such other activities that enhance maritime community relations, which include civic action, participation under the National Service Training Program, youth development, recreational safety, and other related activities. Section 11. Dapat kuno tabangan ang PCG and PCGA sa pag-train kay ang PCGA amo inian mga volunteers na gusto mo tabang sa PCG. Tapos inin PCGA, motabang yan sila sa PCG sa paghatag ng safety life sa mga tao o pagprotekta sa mga ari-arian o kayamanan na yaon sa dagat. Motabang sabi na sila sa pagpreserba ng environment sa dagat o mga resources or mga pinagkukunan nato ng human needs na yaon sa dagat. Motabang sab sila sa paghimo ng search and rescue o motabang sab sa mga maglayag sa dagat o mga manlalayag sa dagat. Ug siyempre ang pag-apil sa National Service Training Program. Ang PCG sa bagaw ang magtabang sa ang PCG sa bagaw magtabang ug magatiman sa dagat, especially pag pilotid ang dagat. Section 12. Appointment. Appointments of PCG officers which shall be in the initial rank of Coast Guard ensign shall be made by the Secretary of the DOTC upon the recommendation of the PCG Commandant. The initial appointment ranks of chaplains, dentists, lawyers, medical doctors, and veterinarian shall be Coast Guard Lieutenant. No person shall be appointed as an officer of the PCG unless he is a natural-born citizen of the Filipino, at least 21 years old of age at date of appointment, physically fit, and is baccalaureate degree holder. The appointment of the PCG Commandant and flag officers shall be approved by the President upon the recommendation of the Secretary of the DOTC. Appointments of all PCG non-officers shall be made by the PCG Commandant. Appointments of all non-uniformed personnel shall be in accordance with the civil service laws, rules, and regulations. Ang pag-appointment section 12, ang pag-appoint ng officer sa PCG, which is ang pinakauna na ranggo kay ang Coast Guard sign, kay dapat mag-appoint kay ang secretary ng UTC na dapat moagi o aprobrahan ng PCG Commandant. However, ang una na pag-appoint sa grupo ng mga chaplains, lawyers, dentists, o doktor kay dapat Coast Guard Lieutenant. Dapat sab ang mga na-appoint na officers ng PCG kay pure na Pilipino ug kaedad ng 21 years old, may dayaw na panglawas ug may baccalaureate degree. Sa paghinang sab or pag-appoint sa PCG Commandant ug flag officers kay dapat aprobahan na ng President pinaagi sa recommendation ng DOTC Secretary. Section 13. Promotions. The promotions of PCG officers as submitted by the PCG Officers Selection and Promotion Board shall be recommended by the PCG Commandant for the approval of the Secretary of the DOTC, provided that the promotion to the rank or flag officers in the PCG be submitted by a board of senior officers of the PCG Commandant or approval of the President upon the recommendation of the Secretary of the DOTC, provided further that said officer shall possess all the qualification and none of all disqualification provided under pertinent laws, rules, and regulations, especially on the completion of the required schooling, training, and minimum time and grade for said ranks. The PCG Commandant shall approve the promotion of PCG non-officers to the next higher rank based on the recommendation of the PCG Selection and Promotion Board for non-officers, provided that especially or meritorious promotion shall be extended to any PCG non-officers for acts of inconspicuous courage or understanding achievements in the Coast Guard service as determined by the PCG Selection and Promotion Board for non-officers. The, the promotion of non-uniformed employees shall be governed by civil service laws, rules, and regulations. Sa Section 13 kuno, ang pag-promote ng mga PCG officers na gipasa ng PCG Officer Selections and Promotion Board ay dapat i-recommend na ay ng PCG Commandant para aprobahan dayon ng DOTC Secretary. Ang pag-promote sa ubsarang na flag officers kay dapat ang magpasa kay ang Board of Senior Officers ngadto sa PCG Commandant para maaprubahan dayon ng President under the recommendation ng DOTC Secretary. Tanan sab dapat officers kay dapat pasok sa qualification dapat in accordance sa batas, mga regulations ug dapat kumpleto ila in eskwelahan na required. Section 14. Salaries and other benefits. The uniformed personnel of the PCG shall receive the same pay, longevity pay, hazard pay, and other benefits and allowance as are now or hereafter may be authorized for corresponding salary grades and ranks in the Armed Forces of the Philippines or AFP until such time that a new law is enacted for the purpose. The salaries and allowance of the non-uniformed employees of the PCG shall be in accordance with civil service laws and rules and regulations. Sa Section 14, ang mga uniformed personnel ng PCG kay dapat may parehas na base pay, longevity pay, hazard pay ug iban pa na mga allowance ug benefits na parehas sa AFP. Ang sweldo ug allowance ng mga non-uniformed employees ng PCG kay dapat in accordance or kasunod sa batas ng civil service. Section 15. Active service. For purpose of this act, the activity service of PCG personnel hereof shall refer to services rendered as an officer, non-officers, probationary ensign, or those rendered as a civilian officer or employee in the PCG prior to the date of separations or retirement from the PCG, provided that the term active service shall include confirmed service rendered as a civilian employee in the Philippine government. Section 15, an active serve or mga service yun ng PCG personnel kaya kadepende kung officer ba sila an officer nakadepende kung officer ba sila or an officer probationary ensign or kung civilian employee or official. Ang ila active service kay antud sa ila retirement date sa PCG. Sir.